worthy. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am beautiful. I am confident. I am confident. I am valuable. I am valuable. Say, I got this. I got this.
My name is Tara Armstrong, and I just got through being at the Walk This Way movement event. It was amazing, absolutely life-changing. I love what Shaquila is doing. She's empowering women. She empowers me all the time. And this event just showcased that.
Say, I got this. I got this. Say, I got this. I got this. Say, I walk through life obstacles. I walk through life obstacles. Like they're my runway. Like they're my runway.
I just want to share that I just experienced an amazing thing. I was able to participate in the Walk This Way movement. Chin Up, You Got This class. And I want to tell you that it was so motivational and inspiring. Oh my God. You have to experience this amazing workshop.
With my chin up.
With my chin up.
With my shoulders back.
With my shoulders back.
In my happy face.
In my happy face.
Because I got this.
Because I got this.
My name is Jody Patterson, and let me tell you, Shaquila Stewart is an absolute gem. Her ministry, and I'm calling it a ministry because I know she was ordained by God to do exactly what she's doing, to empower not only young girls, but people in general.
Okay, I see you, queen. You got this. Yes, you looking beautiful. Now, don't you feel a little special?